Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best pantry staples is probably one of the most essential categories of products to stock up on, offering convenience and savings for everyday needs. And with Amazon's Prime Pantry, you can get a wide variety of items delivered right to your doorstep, making it easier than ever to keep your kitchen stocked with all the essentials you need for meals, snacks, and household chores, all while taking advantage of great prices and exclusive deals. Number 5. Tide PODS Spring Meadow Laundry Detergent, 81 count. Discover the cleaning power of Tide PODS. Experience a fresh spring meadow scent with every wash. These convenient pods deliver a powerful clean that tackles tough stains. Simply toss one in for a brilliant result. Enjoy the invigorating spring meadow fragrance that keeps your clothes smelling fresh for longer. It's a scent that reminds you of the outdoors. Our formula is designed to be tough on dirt but gentle on fabrics. You can trust it for all your laundry needs. This generous 81 count package ensures you have plenty of detergent for many loads. Get great value and exceptional cleaning. Make laundry day easier with Tide PODS. Achieve a superior clean and a delightful scent every time. What we like. Experience a powerful clean with every load. These convenient pods make laundry day a breeze. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to get your clothes sparkling clean with a fresh scent, this is the one for you. What people say. Pods dissolve completely when placed in the drum first. Strong cleaning power. They do a great job on everyday stains and odors. Towels, workout clothes, and regular laundry all come out clean. Works well in e-washers. I've had no issues with dissolving as long as the pod goes in the drum first before adding clothes. Number 4. Lysol Multi-Surface Disinfectant Wipes. Introducing Lysol Disinfectant Wipes, your go-to solution for a sparkling clean home. These multi-surface wipes tackle messes effectively, leaving behind a fresh lemon and lime blossom scent. From kitchen counters to bathroom surfaces, these antibacterial wipes are designed for versatility. They provide a reliable clean on a variety of surfaces throughout your home. Keep your living spaces hygienic with their powerful antibacterial action. They are formulated to help eliminate germs and bacteria, ensuring a healthier environment for your family. This convenient pack of 4 ensures you always have them on hand. Stock up and maintain a clean and disinfected home with ease. Enjoy the invigorating scent of lemon and lime blossom as you clean. It adds a touch of freshness to your cleaning routine, making your home smell as good as it looks. What we like. Keep your home germ-free with these versatile cleaning wipes. They tackle multiple surfaces with ease, leaving behind a refreshing scent. If you need a quick and effective way to sanitize your kitchen counters, bathroom, or high-touch areas, these are a must-have. What people say. These multi-surface antibacterial cleaning wipes offer a range of benefits that make them a standout choice for everyday cleaning tasks. From kitchen countertops and bathroom surfaces to doorknobs, light switches, and electronic devices, these wipes are suitable for use on a variety of hard, non-porous surfaces. The antibacterial formula of Lysol disinfectant wipes is another key advantage. Infused with powerful disinfectants, these wipes effectively kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria, providing peace of mind in knowing that surfaces are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. The wipes are thick and can wipe wider surface before drying out. The lemon scent is amazing. Number 3. Professor Killamoth Superior Pantry Moth Trap 6-pack. Are pantry moths causing a nuisance in your home? Our traps are designed to quickly put an end to your pantry moth problems by catching the male moths. Using our traps is incredibly easy. Simply peel off the cover, fold, and place them in your pantry for immediate protection. Our traps are safe for use around food, children, and pets. They are non-toxic and designed to blend seamlessly into your kitchen or pantry. These traps are specifically formulated to attract and catch Indian meal moths and other food moths. They are not designed for clothing moths. Experience superior attraction with our built-in pheromones. They are integrated directly into the sticky pad, eliminating the need for messy strips. Take control of your pantry and say goodbye to moth problems for good. Enjoy peace of mind with effective and safe protection. What we like. Protect your food from unwanted pests without harsh chemicals. These traps are safe for use around children and pets. If you're dealing with pantry moths and want a safe, non-toxic, and easy-to-deploy solution, this is the ideal choice for your kitchen and cupboards. What people say. The pheromone in the traps you purchased is specific to pantry-type moths and does not work with the type of moths in a closed closet environment. The way the trap works is that the pheromone attracts and traps only the male moth to end the mating cycle and stop new moths from being born. Within an hour I had dozens on the trap. Overnight more were on the traps, and now they seem to be gone. Number 2. Progress Lighting P4008-31 Light Chandelier. Introduce a simple, classic lighting design into your home. This chandelier is ideal for any dining room or sitting room in new traditional or rustic settings. White-sleeved candle covers decorate the light bases. They beautifully surround the vintage frame, adding a touch of elegance. Swooping curved arms coated in a farmhouse-inspired textured black finish add volume to this fixture. It's a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern style. Measuring 21 inches in width by 16 inches in height, it's designed to fit perfectly in your space. This fixture offers both style and substance. Our 1-year limited warranty guarantees your complete satisfaction. We include professional after-sales customer service support for your peace of mind. Notice the elegant details, from the textured black finish to the white finish candle sleeves. These elements enhance its classic appeal. What we like. Add a touch of timeless elegance to your dining or sitting room. The textured black finish and classic candle sleeve design create a warm ambience. If you appreciate simple, traditional aesthetics and want to enhance your home's decor with a stylish centerpiece, this chandelier is a perfect fit. What people say. Easy to install, and very nice. Good quality, nice clean design. This made a huge impact on the overall feel of the room. Not very busy, so if you're looking for something elegant, yet simple, this is a good choice. It is made well and nice to look at. It is not large, which is what I was looking for. I like the loop at the bottom because I can also dangle a prism from it if I like. It also looks very nice as it is. Number 1. Tide Pods Clean Breeze Laundry Detergent. Discover the ultimate convenience in laundry with Tide Pods. These powerful detergent pods offer a superior clean for your clothes. Experience a deep clean that tackles tough stains and odors. Our advanced formula works effectively in high-efficiency machines. Enjoy the invigorating clean breeze scent that leaves your laundry smelling fresh and revitalized. It's a scent that brightens your day. Simply toss one pod into your washing machine for a hassle-free laundry experience. No measuring, no mess, just pure cleaning power. Designed for high-efficiency washers, these pods provide excellent cleaning performance while being gentle on fabrics. Get brilliant results every time. This large 96-count package ensures you're stocked up for many washes to come. Get great value and exceptional cleaning with every load. What we like. Achieve a superior clean for your high-efficiency washing machine. These pods deliver a deep clean that tackles tough stains. If you have an e-washer and desire a powerful, invigorating clean for your laundry, this option is designed to meet your needs. What people say. Convenient laundry pods that clean well, dissolve properly in my e-washer, and leave clothes smelling fresh without extra measuring. They do a great job on everyday stains and odors. Towels, workout clothes, and regular laundry all come out clean. The pods are super convenient, no measuring, no spills, just toss 1 or 2 for heavy loads, in and go. They dissolve perfectly even in cold water, tackle tough stains like grass, food, and sweat marks, and leave clothes smelling fresh and clean without any overpowering scent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.